Urban Planters work with some of the leading brands and organisations in the UK. Our friends at the Nottingham headquarters of Boots have kindly allowed us to follow the refurbishment of their D90 building reception, giving you an idea of how a large installation is planned and agreed. Our representative, Tom, arrives to meet the client through the very space of the installation, the main reception lobby, which, although quiet as Tom arrives, will become alive with guests and staff throughout the day. We met with John Litherland, who is in charge of the facilities management for the entire Boots campus in Nottingham, which at over 1 million square feet is no small task. John was keen that the new lobby reflects the modern and ethical style of the Boots brand, and so Urban Planters are ideal partners for this refurbishment. Armed with a wealth of support material, Tom introduces the Urban Planters network, using visual examples of similar installations, picking out relevant plant images, as well as technical information on air quality and maintenance. John is also given a copy of our stunning coffee table book of installations, which is not only inspiring, but also a great showcase of just what can be achieved with Urban Planters and our creative approach to interior landscaping. Once the initial conversations have ended, Tom can carry out a full site assessment to determine the scheme to be quoted for. Taking notes along the way, Tom gives his advice on suitable plants for the surrounding area, light and climate. On this particular assessment, we found that the plants being replaced from a previous supplier had not been well maintained and were actually dying, not very fitting for the healthy images Boots prides itself on, and a key reason why John was keen to ensure that this doesn't happen again. With some ideas for plants in mind, Tom moves on to talk about container options, again using live examples on screen to help John see his size, shape and finishing options. Tom reports his assessments back to the network office, which can take the emailed notes and instantly begin the quotation process using our streamlined franchise management system, Uplink. With Uplink, we maintain a high-quality customer relationship management process that ensures accurate and timely responses with efficient use of resources across Urban Planters. An installation such as Boots headquarters often has access restrictions and site guidelines to adhere to. So our team will plan for this in advance to make sure everything runs smoothly and nothing is quoted that can't be delivered. To create the impact needed for this job, it's crucial that the actual plants used are identified early so that John can be comfortable that what he sees is what he'll be getting. In this case, Tom was able to include a research trip to one of our many growing nurseries in Holland, taking reference photos to show John the available options. Once a suitable specimen is found, the measurements are confirmed and the plant tagged. This is prior to the order being confirmed and ensures that the most suitable plant isn't used elsewhere. Our buying power allows us to reserve and store large amounts of plants in containers, giving us access to ranges unavailable to clients directly. Back in the UK, Tom pays another visit to John with a fully bound professional quotation ready to present. All the details are broken down with everything in line with the brief. With John happy to agree the sale, he puts his faith in Urban Planters to turn the project into reality.